Okay, so we're at Ascentium right now making the Burhop Green filament. I'm here with Robert Hamilton, who's Ascentium's project manager for filament production. And he's gonna tell you a little bit about how this filament gets made. All right, so Robert, what's the process look like for making filament?
So the process is basically we get plastic pellets in, we dry them in a big hopper dryer and then load them into a feeder that doses them into an extruder. We dose a controlled mix of pellets and colorant to get whatever color we're shooting for the customer. And then the machine melts them down, mixes them together, and pumps them out of the die on the end. And then we just make a string out of it, basically.
Now I see the filament is going through like a big water bath. What does the water have to do with the process?
So the water is there to cool the filament down. It comes out of the extruder at right around 250 C for this particular material. And that's there to control the cooling rate so that it stays round and draws down to the diameter that we want.
Okay, so by the time you get to the roller, you have nice, even diameter filament.
Exactly. It's even diameter, and it's even diameter all the way around.
Really cool. So how do you determine that the size of the filament is the correct size?
So we use a tri-axis laser gauge. It's got 3 pairs of lasers that are going to scan, and based on what they see, that tells us how big the filament is.
Okay, very cool. Well, awesome. Well, that's the basic process of how filament gets made. All right, so we're at the process now of the filament coming out of the line, and then it's being wrapped up onto a spool. So this is the last step in the process before the filament gets packaged and sent out. I'm right in front of the line at Ascentium where they're producing my Burhop Green PCTG filament. So this right here is the very first finished box of Burhop Green. You can see on the side, it's got my face on it. It says Burhop Green right here. Same thing on the front. It's really, really cool. It's really a dream come true to see my color in a product that you can go, to the store and buy. So check it out, Burhop Green.